What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're finally doing the giveaway. This is actually gonna be two giveaways actually. The first one though is the Maxshine Black Friday mystery box giveaway. This is the one where I did, we had a special deal using my code for some products. If you bought that, if you bought anything else using my code, the IMJOSHV15, then you were entered in to get this giveaway. And basically what it is they sent me a list of all the order numbers that used my code. There's about 90 or so orders that came through apparently. So I want to thank all of you guys. It's really, really cool that you know, you guys support the channel and all that kind of good stuff. I'm happy to put those kits together for you guys because it gives me a good opportunity without costing me any money for you guys to get great product, to promote a great brand. It's just a win-win situation. So happy to do it. Basically, I have that list of order numbers. I'll put it on a little randomized selector, spin the wheel, and whatever order number comes up, that'll be the winner. I'll let you guys know who it is, and then Maxshine will be sending you out that mystery box directly to you. So there you go, guys. Now, giveaway number 2 is this guy. My fault. This is my bad. I apologize that this is taking so long. I did a review on this pressure washer a little while ago. I said I would be giving it away, and I packaged it up. It went to the side. It's been super, super busy. Kind of sort of out of sight, out of mind. I totally kind of forgot about it. It's my fault, guys. I apologize to all of you. But I am giving it away. I'm a man of my word. I am giving it away. So we'll be doing that today. And it is here, right here. This is the one. It's the AR Blue AR111S. Now again, guys, I'll link the review that I did of this machine down in the description below. Also at the end of the video, there'll be a little card. You can click on that and it'll take you to that video. Now this one was great. They have an updated version that's blue and they increased the numbers on it and it just did not perform nearly as well as this one. So this one I actually really like. It's a great little unit. This is the actual one that I did the test with. So if you do want it and you get it and there's a little bit of water inside, that's just because I used it for the review. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go back into my computer real quick, get all the numbers, and then we'll be right back in 1 second. We'll do the Maxshine giveaway, followed by this giveaway. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so here it is. You can see all of the numbers there. Now, your actual order number is 9 digits long. It's gonna start with 202, 101, and then the last 3 are gonna be what's here. So let me change my focus on this thing so that it doesn't focus on my face, it focuses on this. Alrighty guys, so there you go. Now, hopefully you can see that. Hopefully, is that in focus? I can't really tell. There we go. All right, so here it is. We're gonna go ahead and spin the wheel. And the winner is order number 202-101-717. Is that what that says? Yeah. So 202-101-717, congratulations. You just won the Maxshine mystery box giveaway. So congratulations to you. Like I said, I'll let Maxshine know of your order number and they'll send that out to you right away. So congratulations. Now let's move on to giveaway number 2, the AR Blue pressure washer. All right guys, moving on to the pressure washer giveaway, right? So basically to be entered into this giveaway, I did say to go over to my Instagram page, I put up a picture of the video. I said comment on my Instagram post, also comment on the YouTube in the comments below of the actual video. And if you do that, you're entered to win. So here is the video. Here's the post on my Instagram channel. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, please go do that right now. It's at IMJOSHV, super simple. We do more giveaways, post some kind of cool content on there. I'm not as active on there as I should be, but go follow because I do giveaways through it there. So anyways, guys, only 29 comments on that post. Usually when I do a giveaway, there's over 100, so this is a pretty good chance for you guys here. So I'm just gonna go ahead up and down, scroll around, close my eyes, and select this one. Hey, we got John Niedert. I believe you've spoke to me in the past before. I believe you're actually kind of pretty local to me. Let's see here, looks like suitable replacement for my Roby 1600, which appears to be on the fritz. So cool, hopefully this thing will work for you. As long as you commented on the YouTube channel, then you win, John. So let's go over to the YouTube channel video and take a look. Now there's 91 comments on there. Let's see here. And yes, you did. Right there, John. congratulations. I'm actually really excited. John has actually been communicating with me quite a lot throughout the channel. He's been a subscriber since pretty much day one, so I'm very, very happy for you that you won. Also just go over to my Instagram, John, and send me a message with the address and I'll get it shipped out to you. And that's it. So congratulations, guys. Please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. We're gonna be doing more and more giveaways. I actually have a bunch more coming up because I'm going to be filming a video called the best pressure washer under $100. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sitting right there. And then obviously I've reviewed more than that. But I'm gonna be giving all 4 of those away. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell. Make sure to like the video, please. That helps the channel. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more. Again, more pressure washers being given away. Congratulations to the winners of this one, and we'll see you guys on the next one.